In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your project data as a CSV or JSON file. If you need to save your project outside the platform, share it with someone else, or use the data in another tool, exporting is a simple and useful option. The format you choose will depend on what you plan to do next. A CSV file is usually the best choice if you want to open the data in a spreadsheet app and review it in a table format. A JSON file is more useful for developer workflows or custom imports into other systems. To begin, open the project you want to export. Make sure you're inside the correct project before moving on, especially if you manage multiple projects with similar names. Taking a second to confirm this now can help you avoid downloading the wrong file and having to repeat the process later. Once the project is open, look near the project title and find the small drop-down arrow next to it. Click that arrow to open the Project Options menu. This menu gives you access to actions related to the current project, including the export settings. From the list of options, select Export or Share. This will open the area where file download options are available. Depending on the platform layout, this may appear as a menu, pop-up window, or side panel, but the option name should be clearly visible. Next, choose the file format you want to export. Select CSV if you want a spreadsheet-friendly version of your project data. This is the easiest format for sorting, filtering, or reviewing information manually. If you need the data for a custom workflow, developer use, or another application that accepts structured data, choose JSON instead. JSON preserves the data in a format that is often better suited for integrations and technical use cases. After you click your preferred format, the file will download to your device. If your browser asks where to save it, choose a location you can easily find later, such as your Downloads folder or a dedicated project folder. It's also a good idea to rename the file clearly after download if you plan to keep multiple exports for reference. And that's it. Open your project, click the drop-down arrow next to the project title, select Export or Share, and then choose either CSV or JSON to download your data file. Once you've done it once, the process becomes very quick and easy to repeat whenever you need an updated export.